Okay, guys, ever wanted a personal human touch on your store instead of just another generic homepage section? Well, this section adds that instantly. Today we're adding this About Us section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK About Us number 4. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type About, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. There's no profile picture here yet, so let's go ahead and add one. Right below that, you can adjust this image's size for both desktop and mobile. Scrolling a bit further, you can edit that short message you want to give your users. Let's change this to this. Below that, you can change the button text. I'll replace this from Sign Up to Contact. You can also add your own link here, which the button will take users to whenever they click it. I'll change its color to white too, to match my store's theme. Now there's a welcome button, which I'll replace with Assalamu alaikum. I'll also change the font family to Poppins, but honestly, after changing it, I feel like the original one looked better. Lastly, you can change this section's background color too. You'll customize the rest of the section this same way, based on your own preference. And as always, hit save and check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.